Hello, welcome back. And today in this video, we're going to be talking about 6 websites where you can learn digital marketing for free. In this year 2021, the sky is the starting point. Okay, you can just go learn them, get the certifications, and move ahead and deploy your skills and make some money. So I'll leave the links in the description below so you can get started as soon as possible. Okay, my name is Hilarium, and this is Hilarium Digital, where we teach everything concerning digital marketing as far as you're a small business owner, you are trying to learn the skills for yourself. Okay, so stay put and let's jump into my screen. Yes, so welcome back to my screen, and this is Hilarium Digital. Like I said earlier, today we're discussing about 6 free tools, 6 free resources, 6 free websites where you can learn digital marketing for free. Okay, so if you're joining us for the first time, consider subscribing to this channel where by so doing, you're going to be getting update on digital marketing trends, update tools, and every resources you'll be needing to upscale your skills or to increase your ROI in your business. So without much, just drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. So the 6 free resources where you can learn digital marketing for free, which includes certifications in most cases. Some of them has free certifications you can use, present anywhere in the world. The first one we're going to look at the moment is Social Media 101 course by Constant Contact. Okay, these are some cool guys out there that are doing great things online. Okay, um, by Constant Contact. Okay, this is the website, and you can see it's a very rich one where you can get all the necessary and valuable information. So here are the basics. They say get the basics. You can see e-com 101, that's e-commerce, email marketing 101. Okay, just for newbies, you're just starting, right? You want to know your left from your right, what to do, what not to do. This is a very good start for you. Okay, so even on this blog, you can see other articles that are related to marketing. And although I'm not advertising the website for them anyway, but I'm recommending this for you if you're looking for where to start learning digital marketing as a beginner, right? So the next one we're heading into is HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy has been around for a while, and they are another company that they have a high reputation, have this high domain. Okay, if you don't know, HubSpot is they have both a CRM and SEO tool out there, which is very, very, very effective. Okay, so this is a HubSpot Academy where you can learn everything, ranging from, okay, let's go to the courses. Okay, they even issue some of the courses has a free certification. Okay, so okay, the page is loading, right? You see it ranges from SEO training to email marketing to Excel for marketers, business analysis, digital advertising. Okay, so the one that has this symbol shows that it's a certification course in which when you finish it, you get a certificate with your name inscribed. It's so beautiful, it's so wonderful. All right, so HubSpot is another place you should check out if you're checking to start your career in digital marketing. Right, go to the next one, which is Google Skillshop. You see, one thing I like Google is these guys are always there to make life better for everyone. Like, they always have a way to give out something for free. You see, most of Google tools are free. Most of them are free, from Google My Business to Google Analytics to almost everything is free with Google. Okay, so learning to start a career in digital marketing is not an exception. So you just come here. Oh no, by the way, I'm going to leave all the links I'm talking about here in the description below so that you'll be able to click and jumpstart immediately as soon as possible. Okay, so all what you just have to do is say master the Google tools you use at work with free online training. So this course is worth a fortune, but I think they just do what they know how to do best, making life better for everyone, you and I. Okay, so from here you can learn Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Analytics, Academy, Google Add More, blah blah blah. There's so many of them here. So it's including Google My Business. Okay, Google My Business. So you can sign in here, or if you already have a Gmail, a Google account, you can just sign in and start the training free of charge. So the next one we're going into is SEMrush Academy. SEMrush, they are synonymous to, they're almost synonymous to, what's it called? Um, HubSpot, you know, SEMrush. I love these guys because they have this SEO tool that I use. Okay, although it has both the free and the paid version, but the free tool, the SEMrush tool is so amazing. Like, you should check it out. You should just check it out yourself. So if you're into search engine optimization, if you're into digital marketing, inbound marketing, website optimization, search engine marketing, and the rest of them, you should check out the SEMrush tool. So this is their academy where they offer courses like okay, here you can learn about the software tool. Okay, you can learn about SEO, content marketing, pay-per-click search, social media marketing, and competitive research, right? So they equally offer, just like HubSpot, they equally offer some certification in some of the courses, not all of them, all right? So someone like this guy, I've forgotten his name, it's so good, so good, right? So this is one place you should come to learn and get vital information and brush up your skills to update yourself. Because once in a while, I take these courses just to update myself on what's going on because these guys are always in front, always updating on what's happening, what's the update, and all that. So SEMrush is another one I recommend you should check out. The next one is WordStream. WordStream is not basically for everything, but it's mostly for the people that want to learn on pay per click, like paid advertising. Okay, paying on Google advertising and the rest of them. If you want to master the skill of PPC, which is pay per click, you should consider. You can see PPC 101, PPC 102, advanced PPC, and the rest of them, social ads, webinar. So some of them are free while others are not. You can get a bunch of free ebooks too to brush up your skills and what you know. So you can just check out here to see what they have to say about the PPC University. So this company is owned by one guy, one marketing influencer I follow online. His name is Larry Kim. He's doing a good job. That guy is amazing. So that's it for WordStream University, or PPC University rather. So the next one we're going to mention is Facebook Blueprint. Facebook Blueprint, like we all know, is owned by Facebook, just as the name suggests. This is where you get to learn how to use Facebook, because we all know today that Facebook is like the epicenter of social media, is the cornerstone of social media. All right, everybody's on Facebook. Everybody's on Facebook. So this, in the Facebook Blueprint, you come here to learn courses for that to help you master how to market Facebook, how to use Facebook ads, how to use Facebook Manager, how to optimize and use everything on Facebook. So, like I said, you're going to get the link in the description below. Comment below and tell me which of these websites have you used before, or which are you planning to use, or even if you're going to start right away, which of them are you starting with? Okay, so I'd like to read from you, I'd like to hear from you. So That will be all for now, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. But for the meantime, stay safe. Have a great day.